All right, so here's a look at the Novah trimming kit. This is gonna be an all-in-one trimming kit that has pretty much everything that you need, regardless of if you're gonna be doing your hair, your beard, trimming up, cleaning up, whatever it may be. So first off, we're gonna have our major trimmer right here, which is gonna be your main trimmer, and this is gonna be great for cutting the top of the hair. You can see that it's gonna come with 4 different guard levels, and these basically are just gonna snap on. Now, compared to a lot of other trimmers, I love the fact that they actually made the clip out of metal. Of course, one of the things that everyone's scared of is doing your hair and it popping off, but I'm never worried about that because this metal clip that's at the bottom here is really just gonna snap right into place, and it's gonna hold until you actually put your finger underneath here and pop it off. You wouldn't be able to do it. Even if you hit it right here at the top, it's not gonna come off. So I do love the fact that they did that. Now when we turn it on, you can see that it's gonna have a screen right here, and it's gonna show you the amount of battery that's remaining left in the shaver itself. Plus, it's also gonna have 2 modes. So right now you can see it's on the regular mode. If I push this up, it's gonna go into a turbo mode, and that's just gonna make it to where it actually cuts a little bit faster. So depending on which one you like using, you can play around with both of the settings and see what you like best. Now on here, you're gonna have this lever, so you're able to really fine tune when it gets down to closer to the skin. If you want it to be right on the skin, or if you want it to be just a little bit off, you get to fine tune it. Now the smallest one that it's gonna come with here is gonna be your 1/16 guard. So this is a very, very small guard. The second one is gonna be a 1/8 guard, 1/4, and then it's gonna go all the way up to a 1/2 guard. Now the second shaver in the kit is gonna be this smaller detailed one, and same thing here. You're gonna have your regular mode if you do a single click, or if you click it again, it's gonna have the turbo mode, and this is gonna be more for doing lineups or doing really detailed fine work. So you can see this one compared to this one, a lot smaller and a lot closer of a shave. But if you wanted to use this, let's say for your beard, and you don't want it to be all the way down to skin, it is gonna come with 4 separate guards that you can hook onto there. These ones are made out of plastic, so not gonna be as sturdy as the large one, but they still do a pretty decent job of staying in place. If you bump it like this, it actually will fall off, so just be careful with that. But usually it never falls off unless your finger actually touches it. Now we've got this shaver right here. This is gonna be your close shave, and this is gonna be getting the hair basically all the way off, as close as you can get that is not an actual razor. So this one only has 1 setting, so you can see that the button over here is on the side. You can flick that up, and it's also gonna show your power down there at the bottom. This is gonna give you an extremely close shave. I usually use this up here or kind of cleaning around my neck, just so that it's a perfect clean cut. You could also pop this off and clean it. So you can see on the inside there are 2 pieces here for shaving, and they are flexible. So this is great if you do like a bald shave. You can move this all the way around your head, and you can see that these actually bend in, which is just gonna be great for moving around any type of contour. A couple of other basic things that it's gonna come with is some oil. So if it starts to stick after a while, you can put a little bit of oil in there. It's also gonna come with this comb as well. Plus it's going to come with a apron. So if you wanted to use this for yourself, or if you're gonna be cutting other people's hair, you can easily throw this on, and then these little hooks will just snap into place, and then you've got yourself a nice barber apron for pretty much any occasion. All right, now let's actually do this and use the close shave. I wanna show you how well this works. I'll give you a little close up here on my neck. Let's go ahead and I'll start, and you can hear it starting to work. And you can see a very close shave, pretty much all the hair coming off when using this. I love using it all the way around the neckline, just like this, to kind of clean up the area and really fine tune it. That way you've got a baby soft neck. And I'll also kind of use it here on my cheek line as the hair starts to grow a little closer to my eyes, and just clean it up. So I love using this. This is such a great tool. Plus, when I'm using this, I'll use this for my beard. And then if I'm kind of doing a little bit of self-barbering and doing my sides, I'll utilize the larger one. So if you're looking for a barbering kit that pretty much has everything included that you would need to get started for yourself or even barbering to cut other people's hair, I would definitely pick this one up and give it a try.